Hi all, this is Ashish Kyal here. Welcome again. And today we are going to talk about five things that you need to see before trading in the markets on an intraday basis. I'm sure many of you are wanting to trade or are already a trader and trading market on intraday. Intraday means you buy today and you sell today itself. That is what we call as an intraday. So five things that you have to keep in mind before you take a trade and things that you have to observe before the market opens. So let me share across very quickly my slide that will and we will look at those factors that are important for you to keep a watch on before you take a trade. So Wave Strategy Advisors is the firm which provide research. I'm the founder of that firm, and let's just move ahead quickly. So the first thing that you have to look at is the global market trend. What is the overall trend of the global market? The reason being, over the period of time, if there is a selling in the global markets, Indian markets alone cannot keep going on the upside. आई एम सेइंग ओवर द पीरियड ऑफ टाइम। तो करना क्या है, पहले समझने की ओवरऑल ग्लोबल मार्केट्स मूवमेंट क्या था, सो दैट यू आर अवेयर where the markets are going to open up. It also includes looking at SGX Nifty. Now SGX Nifty is a Singapore Exchange listed derivative product of Nifty, where we can get some gauge about how the markets are going to open today. So you can also look at SGX Nifty along with global market indices like Dow Jones, which is US, FTSE, which is UK. You can see what has happened with Nikkei, Hang Seng. These are the global markets that you can keep a watch. ये देखने के बाद में आपको एक आइडिया आ जाएगा कि मार्केट ओपन क्या होने वाला है, क्या वो रेड में ओपन होगा या नीचे ओपन होगा, क्या ऊपर ओपन होगा। आफ्टर दैट यू ऑल्सो लुक एट व्हाट इज द डेली ट्रेंड ऑफ निफ्टी। यस, यू आर एन इंट्राडे ट्रेडर, but you have to look at the daily trend of nifty ki overall nifty daily trend is what, is it buy, is it sell, markets are falling over the period of past few days or rising over the period of past 5 to 6 days, वो देखना है। Then look at the sectors that are contributing to this rally. Is it the IT sector? Is it metal that is rallying? Is it banking sector that is rallying? So हमें देखना है कि कौन से sector contribute कर रहे हैं। Once you have that, you know which stocks to then keep a watch on, because जो sector outperform कर रहा है market में, वो sector के stocks को हमें identify करके choose करना है। Then you need to have a clear trade plan, risk and money management. मतलब overall people are too focused upon other methods, but no one is actually looking at a clear trade plan. Overall आपको entry कहाँ लेनी है stock में या index में, क्यों लेनी है, and overall risk and money management. That is also very important that you have to understand what is the risk you are okay to take, what is your money management strategy. Okay, and then you have to go down to a intraday trade setup. What is the overall trade setup that you are going to trade in the market? Is it going to be a pattern approach? Is it going to be candlestick? Is it going to be basis of some indicator? वो हमें analyze करना है. Very quickly on the chart, if you look at this daily chart of Nifty, I can say the trend is positive. This way you have to just simply see global charts and see what is the overall trend of the market. Then if you are an intraday trader, look at the intraday trade setup. This is an hourly chart of Nifty. See, जैसे यहाँ पर एक छोटा सा पैटर्न था, कंसोलिडेशन पैटर्न, इसका ब्रेकआउट गैप के साथ हुआ, so you have to buy. So this way, if you analyze the market, and you will see that not a single hourly close is below the prior hour low. अगर आप इस तरीके से देखेंगे तो you have a now plan when to enter, what is your stop loss, and how to trade the market. So these are the most simple 5 things that you should watch before entering the market itself in the morning before the market starts. And this is Ashish Kal from Wave Strategy Advisors. Just a very quick disclaimer: we are SEBI registered research analysts. All forms of trading carry risk. You should evaluate it yourself. And this session is purely for educational purpose. And the views expressed are personal. OCL or Wave Strategy Advisors does not bear any liability for the same. And this is my contact details. So आप ये चीजें अप्लाई करिए हमारे अपने डेली लाइफ में and see the improvement. These 5 simple techniques in a 5-minute video I have talked about will make you trade market like a pro. Thank you. This is Ashish Kal signing off.